how to block and unblock someone on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you block and unblock someone on TikTok. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application TikTok with your account. Alright, so after you open the TikTok, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to just tap on the option inbox. So it will appear at the bottom right corner. So simply tap on it. Alright, so from the inbox section, you'll be able to see such interface. So from here, you'll have to choose the conversation or contact whom you want to block. So simply, I'm choosing this one. Alright, so after you open the conversation, you'll be able to see such interface. So from here, tap on three dots just at the top right corner. Okay, so from this section, you can easily find the options like block. So simply, you'll have to go the option block. So you have to turn on it. Alright, so simply tap on block. Okay, you can also add a keyword for the blocking section, so you can skip it from here. Okay, so after you done it, you'll be able to block the person on TikTok. So again, from here, if you want to unblock, you'll be able to see a unblock option just at the bottom. So simply, you'll have to tap on this unblock option. And now from here, tap on unblock. Okay, so in this way, you can block or unblock a person or contact on TikTok. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.